myself from you, yeah.
They brought me alive, but I know I'll